Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram fail to load or Instagram white screen problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your Instagram apps. Tap on profile picture. Tap on 3 line or horizontal line. Scroll down. Tap on help. Again tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Again tap on include and continue. You can briefly explain your problem. My Instagram account failed to load or Instagram white screen problem. Please solve this problem as soon as possible and send the support team. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.